John Bell & Croydon is London's luxury pharmacy. We are also the pharmacist to Her Majesty the Queen and hold the royal warrant to supply pharmacists and products to the royal household. Our customers expect the best in terms of quality of products from John Bell & Croydon. We are renowned for having a very wide selection of curated products sourced from all around the world, very high quality, such as Little Butterfly, London, to make sure that we bring the quality of products our customers have come to expect from such a brand.
We are Blue Almond. We are a little boutique based in South Kensington. We sell baby clothes, furniture, cosmetics for mother and baby. We are based in Chelsea, so our client includes a lot of celebrities, even the royal family. When we opened 13 years ago, the owner of the Blue Almond had a vision provide products from mother to mother, and we still believe in that, so we use the best products, the one which we would use for us and for our kids. We love having the Little Butterfly products in our shop because they are 100% natural, organic, and they meet our client expectations.
Harrods is a world-renowned luxurious department store located in London Knightsbridge. We sell high-end luxurious products, anything from diamonds to designer clothes, beautiful items, good quality items from all over the world. Harrods stocks Little Butterfly London because they are a superb range of beautiful high-end products. We have amazing gift packages. Our customers love the fact that you can get them individually and in the gift packs. We highly recommend them because they're made from the best organic ingredients.